So hello and hi is marhaba sa, hala, or hala wa gala. How are you? كيف الحال? كيفك? كيف حالك? Or كيف حالك for female. I'm good. The answer is بخير. تمام. Alhamdulillah. Or thanks for Allah. I am good. Alhamdulillah. Tamam. The other says zain. What's your name? It simply says shoe snitch for a girl or female. My name is Lian. Ana ismi Lian. Remember, in the standard Arabic mention the noun only for the general mention, but in some dialect depends on the country, they use to say in specific gender. For female, they add ch instead of k. Where are you from? Min wain inta for male. Min wain inti for female. Min wain into, it's for plural. I am from Philippines. Ana min el Philippine. And note guys, in Arabic they don't have the letter P, so they use B instead of P. They don't use PH as a letter combination to create one alphabet, but they use F to give the sounds of PH. Rap for male, kam umrich for female. Next word is I'm 32 years old. أنا 32 سنة. Where is your house? وين بيتكم? وين بيتكم? This easy word guys. I don't have a house in Emirates, but I live in Dubai. أنا ما عندي بيت في الإمارات، بس أنا سكنت في دبي. Where did you work? وين تشتغل for male? وين تشتغلين for female? I'm working in a restaurant and coffee shop. أنا تشتغل في مطعم والخفية. How many years you been in Emirates? كم سنة انتي or انت for male في الإمارات؟ I've been in Emirates for 7 years now. الحين أنا 7 سنوات في الإمارات. Now let's move on to random Arabic words. I want to drink water. أبا اشرب ماء. أبا اشرب ماء. Where is the toilet? وين الحمام؟ وين الحمام؟ I didn't have money. ما عندي فيزات. ما عندي فلوس. I have is عندي. I don't have is ما عندي. Just add ما. For no in English, you can simply say لا. Yes is نعم, or simply says أيوة. There are some differences in mafi. This usually says when no more. This is really common words every day. And fee is usually says before another sentence. It can use as there is or available. It can also use as connecting words in. Or for example, in Dubai, fee Dubai. I don't know. ما أعرف. ما أدري. ما في معلوم. Telling my own, I don't like to say ما في معلوم because I don't feel comfortable with this word, so I use the two words ما أعرف or ما أدري. Tomorrow is بكرة or بكرة. Yesterday is Ams for Emirati way and Imbara for Egyptian dialect. Today is اليوم, now is الحين. Later or after a short moment is بعد شوي. After is بعدين. شنطتي. شنطة. تلفون. شعار. شهر. أسبوع. اليوم. سنة وسنوات. That's all for my videos. Hope you like it and we'll see you again next time. Bye bye. Ma'asalama. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos to come.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.